Hey guys, it's your boy Habib Educate, and in today's video we are going to learn, or I am going to teach you how to create a thumbnail. There's an application that I've been using to edit my videos as well as creating a thumbnail. So as you can see, I have a lot of video like this and that I've been creating, nice thumbnails, and it is not any special app. It is an application that I've been using for long. If this is your first time on this channel, then you are welcome. But if you've been on this channel with me, then welcome back. So without wasting my time, let's dive into it. Alright, as I said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Without further ado, let's dive into it. Now, let me show you the application. The name of the application is InShot. Let's hit on it. We are going to learn how to create a simple thumbnail. Okay, simple thumbnail. You can hit on photo, but mostly I prefer creating the thumbnail as a video. Then I'll do a screenshot, save it, and edit or delete the video. Okay, so let me show you what I mean. I will hit on video, I'll hit on new. So after importing some pictures I've downloaded from Opera Mini or any of the browsers, so let's say we're gonna create a thumbnail concerning Ghana football. So now let me hit on blank. That's it. So now I didn't choose this, so let me delete it. Okay, it's a blank space. We want to change the frame. Okay, this frame is for Facebook or TikTok. We want a YouTube videos frame. So as you can see, we'll select them here. Right, the 16:9 is for YouTube videos, 16:9. So after that, just change the background. Here are there are various colors and patterns that you can change or choose. Anyone that you like, just choose it. So because I'm doing one concerning Ghana, let me see which color matches with the Ghana symbols. Which one should I choose? Okay, let me search here, search here, search here. I think let me choose green. Okay, so now here is our background. We are going to put a lot of features and a lot of typings and a lot of stickers for it to look good. So hit on sticker, then hit on sticker. All right, these are a lot of stickers that comes with the InShot apps. It's one of the best application for editing your videos and thumbnails. So now let's hit on this. So with that, it removes the background of the picture and bring out the specific part of the picture that is very, very important. So let's say like this Ghana or the football like this, it will look at this, it will bring only the Ghana and remove the background. Can you see that? That's nice and it's very, very good. If you are confused, I can show you how it was previously. Okay, let me bring it to you how it was previously. If you want it to appear in full, just hit on plus. Let's go back to where I choose that Ghana picture. Okay, here is it, and this is how it looks. Okay, this is how it looks. But when you hit on this, it is going to remove all the white background and bring out the Ghana only. And this kind of pics are called PNG. So if you want to download them, you can write Ghana, then you leave a space, then you add PNG. So it will bring you this kind of pictures which you can remove the background and select the specific part where is important. Let me just delete it. I don't need it. This is what I need, Ghana. Then now let's bring in the football. I will also remove the background of the football and bring out the football only. You see that one is in a PNG form. Can you see that? it works. Okay, no, I think the okay, then the football come at the bottom or at the end of it. Now let me turn it this way so that the star will look, it will match with the uh let me reduce the size. All right, you see how good it looks. Then hit on the tick sign. We want to add text, so here is it. You hit on it. Here's your keyboard. Let's say the black, we are going to write the black star of Africa. Okay, so the all should be in capital, so you double tap the arrow sign, the black star. For it to look nice, we are going to put them in different, we are going to put them in different font background. So let's say we choose, no, this shouldn't be in blue, it should be in something like red. So you hit on these color signs here, choose, no, you choose label. After that you select red. Okay, then you hit on the tick sign. You can enlarge it, you can reduce the size. If you want to change font to, okay, you can just go to this font area. There are a bunch of fonts here where you can choose. You can see, I think this looks a bit deeper and thicker. No, let's select this, the black star. Then we'll add of Africa. Let me adjust it a bit. Okay, so now we are going to type a different word with the different font background. So with that, we will hit on text again, then the black star of Africa, of Africa. So we'll hit on the color. Then we'll select a different color background, so you hit on label. After that, should we use yellow? Okay, yellow is part, or gold. Yeah, gold is part of Ghana's favorite colors. So you can put that here, reduce the size, put it here, you can put it here. Then let's adjust the Ghana and the football, bring it down a bit. Okay, then now we can import our own picture and put it with a sign for it to show that, yeah, I'm pointing at this, something like this. Okay, these are also my pictures that I have background previously, but I just use the process to remove the backgrounds by hitting this sign here. Okay, and yeah, so let me adjust it to show that's what I mean. So now here is it. You can see how nice that is. So the black star of Africa, Ghana. So how was the video? Nice, right? Yeah, that's so. After that, you just save it. Saving this, it's not that lengthy because it's a short one. Very, very simple. It will just finish right now. And that's how I edit my thumbnails with the InShot application. It's very, very simple, and you can do that. After that, just hit on the home icon, and it will be saved in your gallery. Later on, you can just import it. But can you remember that I forgot to screenshot it, as I told you, because this one is saved in a video form. So I can still go back. Hit on it. That's it at the top with my picture. My picture is missing the, yeah, it didn't show when I was saving it. Okay, so here is it. I'll just screenshot it. After screenshotting, oh, it has saved. I'll hit on edit, crop, then I'll adjust it a bit. Okay, after adjusting, I'll just hit save, and that's it. I can go and find the screenshot in my gallery and find the short video too in my gallery, because I told you I created in the form of a video. So here is it. This is the short video. It's in the form of a video, so that I'll be able to have access to more features. Then after that, the one I've screenshot you can see screenshot. For that one, I can import it as a thumbnail in front of my YouTube videos, and as simple as that. That's how I shot and create my thumbnails. All right, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, so that whenever I upload a new videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. You can see a bunch of thumbnails here that I created on my own. You can see this, you can see that. So I leave you in peace. Salam.